Meet the Metrohm 794 Basic Titrino, a reliable potentiometric titrator designed for precision and performance. Refurbished and fine-tuned by Galileo scientific experts, this instrument is fully reviewed, reconditioned, and serviced to ensure top-tier performance in your lab. With a pH measurement range from 0 to 14 and a resolution of 0.1, you'll get incredibly accurate readings every time. It has enough onboard memory to store up to 100 titration methods, so your most used protocols are always at your fingertips. The LCD display gives you a clear view of your parameters and results, while the RS-232 interface makes connecting to your computer and transferring data fast and simple. It features auto-calibration and automatic temperature adjustment, reducing manual steps and improving consistency. Built to last in a rugged, chemical-resistant plastic housing, it's compatible with both glass and metal electrodes for added flexibility. Ideal for quality control labs and chemical analysis, the 794 Basic Titrino gives you dependable accuracy without the price of brand new equipment. Trust Galileo Scientific's refurbished excellence, tested, serviced, and ready to deliver results.